Namaste all. Today we are going to discuss about Upamana pramana. This is coming under second paper of padartha vijnana. So we have, as we all know, we have mainly four pramana accepted by Acharya Susruta. Upamana pramana is one among the four pramana accepted by Acharya Susruta. The rest of the pramana are Pratyaksha pramana, Anumana pramana, Apta pramana, and the fourth one is Upamana pramana. So we can expect one question from Upamana pramana, and this Upamana pramana is having relevance in practical examination also, because in practical there is one questions must be come from examples from Upamana pramana, and this is one among the simplest pramana we are compare it with other pramanas. The possible questions that we can expect is write about Upamana pramana and its type and utility of Upamana pramana in Ayurveda. So before coming to understand about any pramana, we just have to know what are the important points must be included under each headings. If the topic is Anumana pramana, Pratyaksha pramana, Apta pramana, Upamana pramana, whatever it is, mainly definition. If there is any synonym, then synonyms, types, utility in Ayurveda. These topics, these heading must be included in your answer sheet. Whether it is Pratyaksha pramana, Anumana pramana, or Apta pramana, or Upamana pramana. Luckily, in Upamana pramana, we only having definition, synonyms, types, and utility. But Anumana pramana, there are some miscellaneous, some different contents are included, like Hedu Abhasa. Then some technical terms like Vyapti, Paksham, such Panchavayava Vakyam, such topics are there. Anumana Gamya Bhavas. But in Upamana pramana is not that much complicated. It's very simple topic. Can complete within 1 hour or 2 hours is maximum. And question also coming from this topic. So what is the difference between Charaka's explanation and Susruda's explanation regarding pramana? Acharya Charaka who include Yukti pramana instead of Upamana pramana, which means while explaining Pariksha in Tisra Eshaniya Adhyaya, that is Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana 11th chapter, there is Pratyaksha, Anumana, Aptopadesha, Yukti pramanas are included. But Acharya Susruta, who replaced Yukti pramana by Upamana pramana. So, according to Susruta, Upamana pramana is one among the four pramanas. That is the first MCQ can come under this topic. According to Acharya Susruta, which among the following pramana are excluded? Means Yukti pramana is excluded. In the place of Yukti pramana, Acharya Susruta add Upamana pramana. I think you can follow my sentence, right? So coming to Upamana Pramana, the first main content that I told already, that is Upamana Pramana is accepted by Acharya Susruta. Not only Acharya Susruta, Nyaya Darshana also accept Upamana Pramana. So what is Upamana Pramana? Coming to the first slide. Upamana. Upama. Upamana Pramana is based on some Upama. Upama. What is Upama? Upama means similarity. Upama means similarity. Or sadrishyam, what we can call it sadrishyam. That is similarity. For example, we are going to some seashore area, where we have happened to see one starfish. This is the first time you are seeing starfish. But before that, you know that starfish is having star-like appearance. That knowledge you got from your gurus or your father, mother, or from textbooks, maybe from textbooks, or from your colleagues, from your friends, or from your father or mother, or from your guru. So you have that knowledge. So whenever firstly you are seeing, the first time you are seeing a starfish, you are recollecting what our Acharya or what our friend or what our colleagues or what you are learned from their text. That knowledge is coming to your mind, and you are going to analyze. Okay, you are going to infer that this is having star shaped appearance, so that this may be starfish. So that knowledge, the newly got knowledge that this is the first time you are seeing this starfish. You are recollecting the sentence already told by your friends, and after that you are inferring. Inferring means you are taken anumana. You are applying your anumana pramana here. So if you are analyzing what I am told till now, you can understand that for to get an anumana pramana, to get an upamana pramana knowledge, to get an upamana pramana knowledge, you just have to see that object, right? To see that object means you are using your pratiksha pramana. To see the object, you are using your pratiksha pramana. So for to get knowledge from upamana pramana, you need pratiksha pramana knowledge. And after that, you are recollecting what your gurus are told or what you are learned from the textbooks, which means you are using apta pramana here. So for to get to upamana pramana, you need pratiksha pramana, you need apta pramana. After recollecting that sentence, you are analyzing that due to the similarity, starfish is this is starfish. So you are analyzing, you are inferring. So you are using anumana pramana, which means pratyaksha, anumana, and apta pramana is needed for to get the knowledge of upamana pramana. So upamana pramana cannot be considered as an independent pramana. That why other darshanas are not included, or Acharya Charaka is not included upamana pramana as a separate pramana. I think you people have got my point. That knowledge you are getting through Upamana Pramana is called Upamiti. So the knowledge getting through Pramana is called Prama. That's why Prama is of four type. So Prama is of four type. Aprama is of three type. Prama means true knowledge. The knowledge obtained through Upamana Pramana is called Upamiti. The knowledge obtained through Pratyaksha Pramana is called Pratyaksha. The knowledge obtained through Anumana Pramana is called Anumiti. The knowledge obtained through Upamana Pramana is called Upamiti. The knowledge obtained through Shabda Pramana is called Shabda. So the knowledge means true knowledge. The true knowledge is called Prama. So Prama are of four types. What are the Prama? Pratyaksha Prama, Anumidi, Upamidi, Shabda Prama. Aprama is a different concept. It is three types that you will learn later. So first to concentrate on Upamana. So what are the things you have to include under Upamana Pramana if it will ask in exams? Upamana Pramana heading you write. Then who accepted Upamana Pramana? That I already told. Nyaya Darshana also, Susuga Samhita also. In Upamana Pramana, what is Upama? Upama means similarity. So using similarity, using Sadashya, you are getting knowledge. That knowledge is called Upamiti. For to get to Upamiti, you are using an instrument. That instrument, that Karanam, instrument means Karanam. To get Upamiti knowledge, you are using an instrument. One Karanam. Instrument is called Karanam. That Karanam is Upamana. So through Upamana Pramana, you are getting Upamiti. What is the definition of Upamana Pramana? As I already said here, you are not know one object, the name of one object, but you know name of other object. So name of one object you don't know, but name of the other object you know. So using the noun name of an object, unknown name of an object, you are getting the knowledge. You are getting the knowledge of an unknown name with the help of a noun name. As I already said, we don't know starfish, but we know starfish is like a star. Star is a name. But whenever you are happen to see a starfish, you are getting the knowledge this is starfish because starfish is just like a star. Star is a name. So Satnya and Sapni. So that is the connection between Satnya and Sapni. Noun object and unknown object. Name of noun object. Sapni, name of unknown object. That is sambandham, that connection. So the connection between Satnya and Sapni, that knowledge is called Upamiti. Satnya, Sapni, Sambandha, Jnana, Upamiti. Just like we have another definition that is in Anumana Pramana, what it is? Linga Lingi. The connection between Linga and Lingi. That is Anumana. Whenever there is Satnya and Sapni, this question is asked in PG examination. When I was doing my PG preparation, that time in Delhi examination, the in All India Institute of Examination was conducted. Same question is asked. What is the relationship? What is the pramana implied in Satnya Satni Sambandham? That is Satnya Satni Sambandha Jnanam is called Upamiti. For to getting Satnya Satni Sambandha Jnanam, that is Upamiti Jnanam, we need one Karana. We need one Karana means one instrument. That instrument is called Upamana. So that Karanam Sadhishya Jnanam. So to get a Satnya Satni Sambandha Jnanam, you are using Sadhishya Jnanam. Sadhishya Jnanam means similarity. To the similarity, you are getting the knowledge of Satnya Satni Sambandha Jnanam. So the Satnya Satni Sambandha Jnanam, you are using one Karana. That Karana is Sadhishya Jnanam. Sadhishya Jnanam is nothing but Sadhishya Jnanam is called Upamana. Sadhishya, similarity. So remember, whenever we are telling some similarity, like one person, just example, I am firstly going to take classes in a class in a college or class in first year. I am going to take class. All are present there, all of the students. Let one of the student is absent. Can we consider one student is absent? Okay. So I will ask one student like who is absent. He's telling Raju is absent. And the name will be Raju. Okay. So Raju is absent. So I am asking him how Raju is look like. So he is telling Raju is look like somewhat Hrithik Roshan. He is look like somewhat Hrithik Roshan. So in the next day I am going to take classes in the same class. That time when I am entering the class, I happen to see a new face. He's look like Hrithik Roshan. So that time I got to know that, or I am getting the knowledge that this is Raju because I already have the knowledge which is said by him. Who that is Raju is look like Hrithik Roshan. So I'm getting the knowledge. Okay, he is also look like Hrithik Roshan. So that this may be Raju. So here I am using this similarity, Sadhishya Jnanam. That person is Raju because he is having similarity with Hrithik Roshan. So I recollect the sentence and I infer and I am getting an Anumana Pramana. This may be Raju. So whenever there is Sadhishya Jnanam, Sadhishyam, similarity, we can say that is Anuman, Upamana Pramana. Okay. This is, in neurology, we have asterocyte. Asterocyte. Aster means star. Star-like cells. So we can consider in a class, in a practical examination class, one person who got to see a star-shaped cell in the microscope. Actually, he got the knowledge astrocytes, dendrocytes, these are the cells in the brain. We know asterocyte. Aster means star, cyte means cell. So star-like cells are called astrocytes. You know only that knowledge. But when you are looking to a microscope, you are seeing a cell which is similar to star. So that time you are recollecting which is written in the textbook. Astrocytes are look like star. So you are getting the knowledge. That knowledge is Sadhishya Jnana. That is Sadhishya Jnana is nothing but it is Upamana Pramana. So you are getting knowledge by similarity only. For example, other example, I am going to forest. I'm going to forest. So the forest guard or someone else, let it a forest guard. He is telling me while you are walking, maybe you will see Gavaya. I know you don't know what is Gavaya. Gavaya means an animal. So I asked to forest guard, what is Gavaya? The forest guard tell that Gavaya is nothing but it is look like Gavam, go. Go means cow. It is look like a cow. So I am okay. So whenever during my walking I saw an animal. That animal is look like go, but not exactly cow. Not exactly cow, but it is look like go. That time I am getting the knowledge. This may be Gavaya. So here what are the process happened? Pratyaksha Pramana. Looking to that animal. Pratyaksha Pramana. Recollecting what the forest guard was told. Which means Apta Pramana. Actually, forest guard is not Apta. That we know. Then also we are recollecting what the other is told. And the third thing, Anumana Pramana. We are inferring. Anumana Pramana are also helpful. These three processes happened here. Right. This is what I told. A person who is not seen animal called Gavaya before. But when the forester, through the forester, he is getting an information. That information is Gavaya is not nothing but it is look like a cow. So the name itself describes this similarity. So whenever the person goes to forest, he find an animal that is just to look like a cow. He is going to recollect that previous information told by the forester, and he identify that Gavaya. That is through Sadrishya. Satnya, Satni, Sadrishya. So keep in mind these 3 points. Satnya, Satni, Sambandha. Sadrishya. Enough. Example, you can write Go and Gavaya. You can write astrocytes, starfish, these all things. But you have to incorporate maximum Ayurvedic examples. These Go and Gavaya examples are told in Padartha Jnanam Tarka Sangraha text. So that you have to definitely write into your answer sheet. The examples of Go and Gavaya, because that is typically told in Tarka Sangraha textbooks written by Annam Bhatta. That is also an important MCQ. Who wrote Tarka Sangraham is written by Annam Bhatta. And Tarka Sangraham is a textbook is coming under Nyaya Darshana. Navanyaya is coming under Navanyaya. Okay. So Upamidi Karana Upamana. Upamidi is the Prama. I already told Prama is of 4 types. Upamidi is a type of Prama. For to get Upamidi knowledge, you need Upamana Prama. So Upamidi Karana. To get to Upamidi, that Karana, that instrument you are using, that instrument is called Upamana Prama. Prasiddha Sadharmyad Sadhya Sadhanam Upamana. So Sadhya Sadhanam. You are getting Sadhyam. Your Sadhya Sadhanam means the unknown object. Sadhya Sadhanam, the unknown object. You don't know what is Gavaya. That is unknown object. You want to know Sadhya Sadhanam. Sadhya Sadhanam means you want to get the knowledge of a thing. That is called Sadhya Sadhanam. You don't know the exact thing. You don't know what is Gavaya. That is Sadhya Sadhanam. Sadhya Sadhanam means unknown object. So you are getting the unknown object through what? Prasiddha Sadharmya. Sadharmya means similar. Through the similarities of a Prasiddha Vastu. Prasiddha means noun object. Prasiddham, noun. through the relationship, through the connection with the noun object. Noun object means prasiddham. Sadhana means similarity. With the help of similarity of prasiddha vastu, you are getting unknown sadhanam. Unknown sadhana means sadhya sadhanam. That knowledge is called Upamana. Almost similar definition is told by Charaga Upaskara. In Charaga Upaskara, the definition is Prasiddhasya sadrishyena aprasatasya prakasanam aprasiddhasya prakasanam aupamyam upamana. So Upamana is called, otherwise called aupamyam also. So can we write in synonyms? Upamana is otherwise called aupamyam. Similarity. Here, aprasiddhasya prakasanam. Aprasiddhasya prakasanam means you are getting the knowledge. Aprasiddha means unknown object. Aprasiddham, not famous subject. Means aprasiddham, not known. Not known. You don't know. So that unknown object is prakasanam, is lightened. Is prakasanam is lightened, which means you are getting the knowledge. Prakasanam, lighten up. You are getting the knowledge. Unknown object knowledge you are getting. Aprasiddhasya prakasam. Through what? Prasiddhasya sadrishyena. Through the help of similarity of prasiddha vastu, noun object. So with the help of noun object, you are getting, with the help of similarities of a noun object, you are getting aprasiddhasya prakasha. That is called aupamyam or upamana. This is the definition given by Charaga Upaskara. Charago Upaskara. This is for today's class. Rest of the things we will continue in the next